y'all, and welcome to my channel. My name's Olineece. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit those big red letters below and subscribe. So I'm back with another. Bro, I'm back. I'm what? That wasn't even, I wasn't giving sexy back. How do you give sexy back? I am back with another Amazon wig, y'all, because you know I keep y'all strapped with the Amazon things, you feel me? If you guys didn't know, I review Amazon wigs on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss one of my videos. Anyways, this unit right here, okay, I know y'all see her on my head. Oops, ignore that piece, didn't curl her. So, as you guys can tell, I'm already loving this unit. I'm already... Do you see that glow? You see? So this unit is from BLY hair on Amazon. The link will be in the description box below because I know somebody's gonna ask me, so it's just gonna be down there. It's gonna be in the box, okay? I'm gonna put it there before I even make this video public, okay? It's gonna be in the box, so check there first. But if you guys want to know all of the details and all of the specs on this beautiful unit, make sure you keep watching because we're gonna get into that right now. Alright, you guys, so usually Amazon companies do not have pretty packaging. This one though was so cute, and of course you get your wig cap, your wig, and this little pamphlet in there for more information about your wig. But of course we're gonna get into the meat of this video. This wig right here, honey, and let me tell y'all something about this bob wig. Once you get this bob wig, you will never need another bob wig in your life. Like, these ends were full, the knots were amazing, but let me hold off on that. As you guys can see, this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the box. The knots are basically not there. I don't even know how the hair is tied on to the freaking lace, no lie, but this is amazing. It really gave me the feel of a luxury wig, you guys, and so I was super surprised that this wig had like this much body and this much volume and this much thickness for an Amazon wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig, and you guys can see how I installed this wig. I actually ended up installing this wig on my head, you guys. Usually I do like to do the wigs off my head, but because she was so flawless and giving me so much life, I decided to, you know, take a risk for it and just do on my plucking, everything else that I would usually do on my head anyways. So you guys, I know somebody's gonna ask, this wig is 14 inches, the one that I have, and they carry this wig anywhere from 8 to 16 inches on their website. On their Amazon platform, everything that they're saying is pretty much true, y'all. I had no issues with this wig. It is a virgin hair wig, and I actually wore this wig for about 3 weeks, so I definitely can attest to it being worth all of your coin, okay? You do not need to buy any other bob wig on Amazon. Listen to me when I say this. I'm for real. So the parting space is a 4x4 closure, you guys, and honestly this looks like transparent lace. I'm not sure if they list it as brown lace, but it definitely looks like transparent lace, and that's how it blended in on my skin. The cap construction is just like any other regular wig that you guys have seen before in the past. Nothing too crazy or anything you have to necessarily worry about. But seeing that this wig came out the way it did and it's available on Amazon, I'm so happy to say that I can find luxury wigs on Amazon because usually you can't. The only thing I was a little upset about were these little flyaways, but I just took all my wax on my wax sticks and that fixed it immediately. I only did some plucking to the front area, you guys, and cut off the lace, and it gave me like this flawless look, y'all. Look at that. Find the lace. I know you can't. Shoot, I can't. But if you can, just know that it was like 3 a.m. or some kind of time for me, and your girl was tired, so I actually went to bed and finished this video another time. I'm going to give you guys all the details in the rest of this video right now. So I'm not gonna lie, guys, it's a whole different day. It's actually a whole different week, and I put this wig back on. I actually decided to do a middle part, and I'm super duper happy with the middle part. And I threw some curls in it with this barrel. I do not have the specific barrel, but I just barrel slash wanded it my curls, and then I pin curled them, and I sprayed some Got To Be glue. And so now I'm just gonna take down these curls and show you guys the finished results. Okay, you guys, so these are the finished results, and may I say, ma'am, this is what I was thinking about when I saw a bob on Instagram. No lie, a bob had like so much body, and I thought this wig wasn't going to be able to accomplish that at first because the hair was so freaking fine. I was like, there's no way in heck I'm gonna get bouncy, just voluminous curls from this, but I definitely did. And I am loving it. And BLY definitely has my stamp of approval, you guys. 50 out of 10 for this Amazon wig. Amazon wig has done it again. Okay. And I'm super happy to say that there are quality wig sellers on Amazon, you guys. If you guys have never shopped on Amazon for a wig before, it's kind of iffy. We're trying to we're testing the waters right now, but we're trying to get through it, you know? But this, if it was sink or swim, baby is swimming. Baby is swimming. Y'all, I know who's gonna want this wig for my head. My mom. She's gonna come over here and be like, where's that wig that you curled the bob? Put that on my head. So I extremely enjoyed this wig because this was a luxury kind of wig. The knots on this wig were super small and so easy to cover with makeup. Do not recommend that you go in and bleach them just because they are so small, and smaller knots tend to shed a lot. So just keep that in mind when you are working with your wig. If you want to go bleach them, that's up to you. I didn't bleach them. All I did was use makeup, and I felt like that was an easy enough cover up. And as well as the lace wasn't anything too crazy. It wasn't that super hard brown lace, and just enough makeup fixes it just right, you guys. There is no shedding. I have not cut this hair, y'all. I did not cut it at all just because I wanted to keep it in its proper length. And there's a possibility that I will be having a wig sale soon to sell the multiple wigs that I do have. So I just wanted to show you guys the wig at its full potential. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You will be seeing me rock this wig on all my social media platforms, so go follow me at outlabeled on everything. If you guys want the possibility of being in a shout out, just put your Instagram name below, and whenever enough people start doing it, I'm gonna start doing shout outs. So yeah, I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a blessed and awesome day, and I hope to see you guys as subscribers, watchers, or commenters of my next video. Bye, and thanks for watching.